Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Circle payment APIs to bank transfer step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have a verified Circle account. Log into your Circle account using your credentials. Navigate to the dashboard once you are logged in. Locate the withdraw option on the dashboard. Click on withdraw to initiate the process. Select bank transfer as your preferred withdrawal method. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your Circle account. Make sure the amount adheres to any minimum or maximum limits set by Circle. Next, input your bank account details if you haven't done so previously. Verify that all bank account information is correct. Review any fees associated with the bank transfer withdrawal. Once confirmed, click the Submit button to proceed. You may be prompted to verify your identity for security purposes. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. After verification, confirm the withdrawal request. You will receive a notification indicating that your withdrawal has been processed. Check your email for a confirmation message regarding the transaction. Funds typically take a few business days to reflect in your bank account. If you experience any delays, contact Circle support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.